You ever fed a horse? No. No? Okay. Open your hand. Yep, just like that. Awesome. Would you like to feed her a nut?
Her.
Yeah, her.
Her?
Yeah, Jayda. You want to feed her a nut?
Sure.
Yeah. Put that in the palm of your hand. Stick them up, Jayda. Stick them up. There you go.
Oh, what a sweet girl.
You want to do it?
What a sweet girl.
Yeah. We're going to give you a peanut. She's going to dive down and grab it. Right here?
Oh.
Nope, let me grab her
no.
feet right. I didn't have her foot right.
Oh, so pretty. Oh, can I take a picture?
Of course. Oh, it's
well, I don't have anything there.
Yeah.
I like it when you go there and you go down.
Yeah, we'll give her, stick them up.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
That's kind of scary.
How about you?
Yeah, definitely.
Stick them up. Stick them up. Good bird. Can you say hi? There you go. Good bird. All right.
Wow.
You guys one of those? You want to check her out on Facebook, YouTube? You guys want to feed her?
Yeah.
Yeah? Of course. I'll give you that first so I don't forget.
Hi, buddy.
Jayda. Can you say hi, Jayda?
Hi, Jayda.
There you go. Stick them up. Stick them up. Put that in the palm of your hand. Go get it.
Good wingspan. Oh my God.
I like you. You're
Yeah.
awesome.
Say thank you.
Yeah.
Want to feed the bird? Yeah? There you go. Awesome. Here.